Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to show you how to make a wooden wick tea light. Sometimes good things come in small packages. In this case, it's tea lights. If you haven't seen them yet, we recently rolled out an adorable collection of tea lights. Available in lustrous gold, matte white, matte black, and copper, these little babies come in a set of 12 and stand a whopping 1 inch tall by 1.5 inch diameter and have a 0.6 ounce fill. They also come with a new low-profile wick clip, or sustainer as we call them, to maximize their burn time. Our wick clips are created using safety regulations offered by the National Candle Association. Their heights are set just above the bottom of the vessel to stop the candle from overheating. As you can see here, our new low-profile wick clip is slightly shorter than our standard wick clip, making it perfect for these little vessels. And get this, they aren't just a one-and-done tea light. Made from a high-quality, thick-brushed, seamless aluminum, they can be reused in a refill model or repurposed for other things. Now that you know all about the tea light vessels, I'm going to walk you through the steps to making your very own wooden wick tea light. Today, I'll be using our deluxe satin soy wax. This is my favorite wax because it has a heat antioxidant that protects it from discoloration. I'll also be using our single ply 0.02 by 0.25 inch wick. I've burn tested this previously with my chosen fragrance to ensure this is the perfect wick for my project here. But a 0.25 width or a 0.375 width will typically do the trick. Refer to our wick selection guide for further recommendations based on your wax type. First, I'm going to assemble my wicks. To assemble my wick, I'm going to take my wick in one hand and my clip in the other, and I'm going to gently rock it into the clip until it's assembled upright. Then, I'm going to add my wick sticker to the bottom of each clip and gently place the wick into the center of each tea light. I've gone ahead and heated my wax to 170 degrees using my Wood & Wick Co. wax melter. Today, I'll be making 6 tea lights, so I'll be using approximately 3.6 ounces of liquid wax. I won't be adding fragrance today, but if you'd like to add fragrance to your tea lights, you can reference our fragrance percentage chart for measurements. When pouring into these tiny vessels, it's important to go slowly and make sure you leave a little bit of room at the top to prevent the candle from overflowing once it starts burning. Once all of your candles have been poured, let them set overnight. If using fragrance, make sure to let them cure for at least 72 hours. Then, once your candles have fully cooled, use a wick trimmer to trim your wick to approximately 0.2 inches above your wax. Now that you know how to make a wooden wick tea light, we can't wait to see your creations. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!